This is one of the biggest mistakes I see a lot of beginner drummers making. And it goes something like this. All of a sudden, you're out of sync with the band. Everyone's giving you funny looks. You might cry a little bit because you don't know what's happened. I'm going to tell you what's happened. It's because you've played a crash at the end of your fill. Great stuff. We love that. But you haven't counted it as one. You're counting it as a separate entity. So let's fix that. It's a very simple fix, I promise. First of all, you're going to play your groove, whatever said groove is, as if there's a crash on one every single time. Because what we want to do is get used to moving betwixt our two cymbals. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Do that to your heart's desire, to your content, and then add your fill back in very slowly. 4, 1 and. Let's try it again. 2, 3, 4, 1 and. 3, 4. Hopefully that solves any dilemma you may have with putting your crash in the wrong place. I wish you the best of luck and happy playing. But before you go, I have a thing for you, specifically you, especially if you got to the end of this video, because you're likely a brand new drummer and I have something that will help you out a lot. It's a free ebook called The New Drummer's Toolkit. I highly suggest you get it because it's got all the fills, the grooves and the beginnings of rudiments you need to know as a brand new drummer, all in one tasty little ebook. So if that's something you're interested in, feel free to find it in either the description, on the link tree at the top of my bio, wherever this video may have found you, it will be somewhere and easily accessible. Now you can go. Big love. Mwah.